The MACD indicator is one of the most widely used momentum indicators. In this video, I will break down how this indicator works and how to use it on the ChartRaven platform. MACD stands for Moving Average Convergence Divergence. It compares two exponential moving averages of the price data, one fast and one slow, and it tells you when momentum is shifting between them. The classic setting is 12, 26, 9. The first number, 12, is the fast moving average. It tracks the average closing price over the last 12 periods. The second number, 26, is the slow moving average. It tracks the average closing price over the last 26 periods. The MACD line itself is simply the difference between these two averages, the 12-period exponential moving average minus the 26-period exponential moving average. And then finally, we get to the third number, 9. This is called the signal line, and it tracks the moving average of the MACD line itself. Crossings between the MACD line and the signal line are the most watched events on the indicator. A cross above is often read as a bullish shift, while a cross below is seen as bearish. When the fast exponential moving average pulls above the slow one, the MACD line rises, signaling that momentum is building to the upside. When the fast exponential moving average falls below the slow one, the MACD line drops, indicating that momentum is fading. The MACD indicator is usually displayed with a histogram in the background. This histogram is simply the visual representation of the gap between the MACD line and the signal line. It provides a quick at-a-glance read on whether momentum is accelerating or losing steam. The taller the bars, the greater the divergence between the two lines. Now let's put the theory in practice and see how we can use the MACD indicator on the ChartRaven platform. ChartRaven provides two versions of the MACD indicator. The standard MACD, which uses the classic 12, 26, 9 setting. This MACD indicator is commonly used for shorter-term reads, with signals that fire often. It's what most day traders and short-term swing traders use. ChartRaven also provides a so-called extended MACD indicator, which doubles those periods to 24, 52, and 18. Same indicator, slower lens. It reacts more gradually, filters out short-term noise, and gives you cleaner reads on bigger moves. Reach for it on higher time frames, daily and weekly charts. Now, with both MACD indicators placed on the chart, let's do a quick AI analysis. In this case, I just want a quick Q&A response, hence I pick Q&A mode in the UI. The other analysis modes will provide a deeper and more general analysis of the chart, but in this case, I'm only specifically interested in the MACD indicator analysis. Okay, let's look at the response. The AI tells us that both MACD indicators are signaling a bearish to neutral transition, with early signs of potential bottoming, but no confirmed bullish reversal yet. It points out that the 12, 26, 9 MACD line and histogram reached a significant peak around late April. The MACD line and signal line have crossed below zero, with histogram bars turning negative through June, which confirms the bearish momentum shift from the May peak. Regarding recent development in late June, it points out momentum is decelerating, which can be concluded by looking at the histogram bars, which are shrinking in magnitude near the zero line. Regarding the 24, 52, 18 MACD indicators, we see a similar analysis, a slower and lagging confirmation. As expected, of course, this MACD indicator uses longer periods for the calculation. Interesting to see here is that the AI explicitly points out that there is no bullish crossover yet on this time frame. The key takeaways: the dual MACD setup suggests caution, the fast MACD hints at near-term stabilization around $213, but the slow MACD confirms the intermediate-term trend remains under pressure. A confirmed bullish signal would require both MACDs to cross their signal lines upward. Well, I'm not a financial analyst, but I think we can trust the AI's response in this matter. That's it for this tutorial. If you are interested in trying this out, on chartraven.com, you can open a free account. The functionality on the free tier is limited, but it allows you to get an idea of the look and feel of the platform. For these type of setups, I can really recommend it, especially if you want to do a quick AI analysis. Drop a like and see you in the next video.